You guys, good morning. Look what's here. We got a happy mail from Mary Maxim. Let's see what it is. Okay, I opened the top. All right, here's the paperwork. It's our crochet club of the month. Okay, so this is monthly subscription, crochet club of the month. It's only $16.99, which is a really good price for a crochet of the month thing, with $5 shipping, $4.99. So total of $21.98 for this. $21.98. There's a lot of good squishiness in here. Oh my gosh, this whole thing is full of squishiness. I can't even. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe five skeins of yarn. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, I'll let you look first. I'm not looking. Can you see it? Can you see it? Is it pretty? Let's see. Let me see. My turn. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. Ooh, look at those colors. Nothing else in there? Nope. Look at those colors. Those are beautiful blues and greens and I don't know if you call that a purpley blue. I love purple. It's my favorite color. All right, so this is the super scarf. Okay, and you can tell by this number, those of you see that 2201. So this means it's the January of 2022's Crochet the Month Club. And we have a super scarf. That's pretty scarf. I love all of their stuff comes in these beautiful plastic bags. Keeps everything nice and clean and fresh and dust free, which is amazing in my environment. All right, here's our Mary Maxim scarf. Everyday Premier Anti-pilling. Oh, that's good stuff. I love the Premier Anti-pilling yarn. It's a 4-weight yarn, 3.5 ounces, 180 yards, 165 meters per pond. The color is pond. Isn't that wonderful? 5 balls. Oh, it's so soft. So soft. That is really nice. Smells a little plastic, because it could just be because of the bag. Anti-pilling. This is nice. Medium, 4-weight. It recommends an eye hook, 5.5 millimeter hook. Machine wash, warm, tumble dry. Nice. And where is it made? Turkey. Oh, we like the Turkey yarns. The yarns made in Turkey are usually very, very nice. Okay, can you see those colors? Yeah, that's a real good representation of the colors right there. I love the blue, that little bit of blue in there. That's so pretty. And let's look. Okay, it says it's a 4. Maybe a thin 4, but still nice. Premier, good quality. Premier Everyday Anti-pilling. It's a very good yarn. Super excited about that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 5 of these and 180 yards, so just under 1,000 yards. Just over 900 yards. That 900 yards, that'd make a pretty darn nice item. So I can't really tell the stitch design in that. That little pokey part, that must just be the design of the yarn. It's supposed to be 8.5 by 124. That can't be right. 124? 124 inches on a scarf? That seems... No, that can't be right. It's gonna be a 12-foot long scarf. Eight and a half wide by 12 feet long. That's not happening. I'm not making a 12-foot long scarf. I'm gonna take all this beautiful goodness. Yeah, because it says 315 centimeters. Yeah, Nope, that's not gonna happen. I might make a scarf out of it, but I'm definitely gonna make something else as well. 12-foot scarf, that's just silliness. This is too nice to use on that. The neighborhood of 1,000 feet or 1,000 yards, or 900, I guess it's really just over 900 yards. I think I'm not that good at figuring out how much yardage you need for anything yet, but I'm thinking for sure a hat and a scarf, maybe a hat, a scarf, and a cowl. A hat and a cowl for sure. I don't know, but I'm not making a 12-foot long scarf. That's just silliness. That's why they're calling it a super scarf, I guess. Super scarf. Super pretty yarn. Love, love, love that yarn. What do you guys think of that color? So, tell me, would you make a 12-foot long scarf? I guess that is a thing these days. They're making it out of those great big bulky yarns, and I have seen them. Not really practical. I'm more into practical at this point in my life. But the yarn is gorgeous. It's a pretty pattern. I didn't even really look at the pattern to see what we have to do. 7 stitch over pattern rows. 86. Oh, that's the gauge. I'm not doing a gauge on a scarf either. I do gauges on wearables. Oh, it's a spiked half double crochet. That's what that little liney thing is. Okay. So you're dropping down to the other row there. You can see the stitch. You're dropping down to the other row and picking that up, and that's what gives it that spike. I like working with half double crochets. Yeah, looks pretty simple. There's a lot of repeat the last row, repeat the last row. That's nice when you're doing something that's big like this. So, value, absolutely. 5 skeins of this stuff for basically, what, 12 bucks, 15 bucks with shipping. So, absolutely value on the yarn, 100%. I'm sure this is a little free pattern from somewhere. Usually the patterns they have here are their own little patterns. And so, not too worried about that. There's an 18 million scarf patterns out there, so it'll be no problem to come up with another one. But I really, really like this. I like that their kits don't have a lot of extra foo-foo stuff in it. You know, I can buy my own stitch markers. I don't need a bookmark. I don't need any of that kind of stuff. So I do like that it's just yarn and a pattern, and of course the nifty bag to keep it in. That's a definite plus for me. I also like that the pattern is included. I don't have to go online, try to find it, and try to print it all out. So I think this is a very good value for the price. I really do. I'm not sure about a 12-foot long scarf though. That's just silliness in my world. But some people like it. Tell me what you think. Would you make a 12-foot long scarf? I really want to know. Or should I try to make something different? What should I make instead? So I've got 5 skeins of, what did I say, 180 yards. It's a lot of yarn. Let me know. Let me know what I should make. I'll talk to you later. I will see you guys on Friday for Finish It Friday. Please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. That's ever so important to us. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.